What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I shall be unboxing the brand new M1 powered Mac Mini. As always, I do have a number of new videos planned to go out on the channel very soon, so if you aren't yet subscribed then be sure to do so, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when they go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the model that I'm unboxing today. So if you are anywhere within the European Union, then this will set you back around €799. If you're in America, around $699, and if you're here where I am in the United Kingdom, it will set you back around £699. It is also Apple's very first desktop Mac, which comes running their own silicon. Now in this we have got the M1 system on a chip, which has an 8-core CPU and an 8-core integrated GPU. It has 8GB of unified memory along with 256GB of SSD based storage. But enough babbling on about the specs, let's crack open the box and find out what exactly comes included with Apple's very first desktop with their own system on a chip. So lifting away the box does reveal, in typical Apple fashion, the Mac itself placed atop. Now placing this to a side, we do get our first look at the included documentation. The first piece of documentation that you receive with this Mac Mini is your quick start guide. Now within this you will find a general overview of the layout of ports on the back of the machine, along with of course how to set up this machine as fast as possible. This is then followed up by details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty, along with some health and safety disclaimer notices in both English and French. You also get one massive colour matching Apple sticker. Finally, the last item included with this MacBook Air is your figure of 8 power cable. Now this has an approximate length of just under 2 meters and will be used to of course power up this Mac Mini. Now there is no power brick included, as the Mac Mini has an internal power supply which will be used to modulate the power. If you have ever used an Apple TV or own one, then you'll find that this cable is very similar to the one included with said Apple TV. And finally, onto today's star of the show. This Mac Mini, as small as it is, it's a very capable machine. Now let's take a quick look at what we're working with. So yes, the physical size of this model is identical to its Intel sibling, though unlike older models, we cannot open the bottom of the unit with a twist of the bottom plate, which makes sense. After all, there is not a single thing on this desktop machine that cannot be user upgraded. And hey, that is not where the differences stop. Physically, this model is only available in silver, whereas the previous model was only available in space grey. The other physical differences between the models is the amount of, or lack of, input-output ports depending on the way you see it. We no longer have the upgrade option at the time of purchase to 10GB networking, or do we have 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, as we've got a standard Gigabit Ethernet port along with 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. I do however believe that as this is the first generation Apple Silicon desktop, that very soon in the near future we will see machines with more ports as we have done in the previous years. But that's it in a nutshell. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see tested down below in the comment section, or you can hit me up on my social media platforms, links to which can be found down below. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and by all means if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.